In this tutorial, I would be sharing how I made this maxi skirt with an elastic waist. It is a two-step maxi skirt. You can see the gathers around the, the skirt. The skirt also has pockets on two sides. It's a very simple dress to make. If this is something you want to learn how to do, then this video is for you. My name is Ayomide, and on this channel I post sewing tutorials. The top for this skirt, this smoked top, I already have a tutorial for it on my YouTube channel. You can check it out. And so guys, let's move on to the video. So some calculations before we get started. Here is a rough sketch of how my skirt is going to be. The waistband, the first layer, and the second layer. The total length of this skirt is going to be 41 inches, and that will comprise of the waistband, which is 2 inches. The first layer is 8 inches, and the second layer would be 31 inches. Adding all this together will give a total of 41 inches. Moving on to the wideness. The wideness of the first layer would be 50 inches. And that of the second layer would be 90 inches. The elastic, the waistband is going to be an elastic. Okay, so it would accommodate the 50 inches wideness of the waistband. So this is how I'll go on to cut out the skirt. I would also add necessary seam allowance where appropriate. Right here on my table is the first layer. Remember I said the wideness would be 50 inches. And because I want to have a pocket on either side, I went on to split it into two. So that would mean 25 inches on both of them. Okay, and the length is also 8 inches plus the appropriate seam allowance that is needed to join to the second layer and the waistband. Here is the pocket that I cut out. I cut out 4 pieces of that. That is what is needed. This is the second layer. It's very long because it is 90 inches wide and 31 inches long. The waistband is also here. I cut it long enough to accommodate elastic that would sit into the first layer. Moving on with sewing, first thing first is to fix the pocket. Picking one piece of the first layer and one piece of the pocket, I would mark 1 inch beneath the waistline. Place my pocket right sides against each other and sew it down on one side and repeat likewise for the other side. Remember I have 2 pieces for this first layer. I would also repeat likewise for the second piece of the first layer. This is what it looks like after sewing. And this is the second piece of the first layer. Next is to match them up together, right sides facing each other. Start from my waistline, take it all across the pocket opening and take it down. I repeat likewise for the other side too. As for the second layer, I've gone on to hem one end of the fabric, and that is because I want to sew on top of my first layer, and I did a tiny hem. Afterwards, I would create gathers. I'm using my hand here to demonstrate that I will be creating gathers. This is my first layer after sewing. This is it on the right side. My pocket is already formed. And this is the second layer after creating the gathers. You can see I've gone on to create the gathers. I also hem the down part. So next thing is to attach the second layer to the first layer. I'm going to be sewing the gathers on top of the first layer. You can sew yours underneath, but I love the effect that sewing on top gives to this particular design. This is what the skirt looks like after sewing. It is already taking shape. Also, I said earlier that I had gone ahead to hem the down part. You need to do this before creating your gathers. So guys, it is now time to fix the elastic on the waistband. I've gone on to place my elastic on my waistband, and I have a detailed tutorial on this YouTube channel. I would be putting a link in the description box on how to put elastic within your waistband. Moving on, I would thereafter fix this elastic band onto the waist area of the skirt, and this would shrink that entire waist into that band. After doing that, this is what the skirt is looking like. I love the outcome. I love the fact that I get to fix pockets into the skirts. Very free and easy to wear. Also a very simple project to embark on. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like. Click on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Goodbye and stay blessed.